Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a easy level question that I just resolved on my own after about a year, a little less than a year. So I solved it last December 14th, 2024, and I was able to redo it by myself without any help just about 5 minutes ago. So I'm super happy about this, and let me show you how I did it. 1323, maximum 69 number. Basically, change one of the digits, or you can choose to not change anything, but you can change at most one. It says right there. And then out of all those digits, just find the biggest one. So let's just go ahead and make a list because this is an integer. So what I did is just iterated over as a string. And let's just go ahead and append that string. And let's create a sorted list. So this is just going to let us sort every element we put in this list without calling the sort method. So let's add a string of n.copy. So that's just going to add the original number because here we don't want to change at all. 9999 is already as big as it can get. Otherwise, for I, n, and enumerates, or let's just say for iv and enumerates n, let's call this original is n.copy. So let's just say if original of I is equal to 9, then let's set it to 6. Otherwise, if original I is equal to 6, then we set it to 9, right? So we're not using if here, we're using elif, just for the beginners that are watching this, because this is, by this time, if this is executed, this is changed to 6. If we did if here, then we would always change this, which is not what we want. We just want to make two decisions here, either or, and we can use a case statement. So yeah, someone earlier today had a question about that topic. I was teaching a new person how to code, and so just thought I would mention it here since this is very similar. Anyways, so now let's go ahead and print n original, and then we want to reset original to n every single time because we only modify one integer, right? Cool. So now that matches exactly what we see. So now we can just add original or original.copy, and then we just return the rightmost element as an integer, right? Because the return type, as you can see, the return type to this method is an integer, and the rightmost element has to be the biggest one because the sorted list just orders things from smallest to greatest, left to right, automatically. Whether they're a string or an integer, that's the great thing about this API. So let's run this. Okay, that's not correct. Let's go ahead and print SL. And so something is wrong here. And the problem is because we don't want to make a copy. And what we can do is just for value in n, original.append value, because a copy is also modified. And so if original I, and let's go ahead and print. So I'm still modifying the copy here, which is an issue because let's just do this. For y and n, original.append y. That should make things... Nope. What is going on? Why is this being modified? Just original. 9969. Yep. 9969. Why is this original? Oh, we're going to do it here instead. Because by this point, we've already cleared the list. And then maybe we can just reset it to n without doing that whole spiel. Okay, cool. So we were just modifying the copy accidentally without noticing. So let's submit this. And there you go, passes all test cases. So again, I'm happy that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any assistance after about a year. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.